Okay, here's a couple of questions dealing with slope. First one says find the slope. And so when it's written in functional notation like this, the f of 1.1 equals 18.1, and the other one there. So if it's written like this is an x value and that's a y value. So let's call those 1s and then let's call these 2s. So now I can use my slope formula to determine the slope. So y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. y2 is negative 4.2 minus y1 is 18.1 divided by x2 is negative 5.8 minus x1 is 1.1. So let's do that on the calculator here. So I'm just going to start with a bracket. Negative 4.2 minus 18.1 and my bracket divide negative 5.8 minus 1.1. There we go. So my slope is 3.23. They probably want it as a fraction, so I'm going to hit this fraction button over there. So it's 229 over 6, or 223 over 69. That would be the slope. Okay, this next question, you can't read it real well, but it's the one driving a car where they give you this as a function. So the distance that you travel at a certain rate of speed is equal to 11 over 10 times your rate of speed plus 1/2. Okay, so when they're looking at this looks very similar to y equals mx plus b. So this m, or 11 tenths, will be your slope. So there you've got the slope written down. And then, so that means for each mile an hour faster, your slope will be 11 tenths feet longer for you to stop. Now, at the bottom here, it's saying, what is d of 5? So that just says, well, what's the distance when you plug a 5 in for your rate of speed? So just go 11 over 10 times 5 plus 1/2. So that would be 11 halves plus 1/2 would be 12 halves, which would be 6. So the 0.5 and 6 would be on that graph. And then they'll ask for what d of 10 is. So d of 10, you do the same thing. Now decimals work really well for this. Let's just pull that up. So I'm going to go 11 over 10, divide 10. We could put an x in there right now, plus 1/2. So there is the slope of the line. Any of the points that I have, like 5, 6, if I plot that point, 5, 6 bracket, you'll see it's right on the line. And all those the other 2 points that they didn't give us other points, but if I got other points, it would be there. They would be on that line. Now, if they want to know what d of 10 is, just instead of the x there, put in a 10. I'm going to put brackets, but put a 10 and my bracket right there. So 10 would be 11.5. Then they want 25. So let's delete the 10 and put in a 25. And there, 28. So if they're going 25 miles an hour, it'll take them 28 feet to stop. All right, hopefully that helps you with that question.